Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make a beautiful personalized welcoming sign to our home. Why? Because I don't have one. Okay, so what I have here is some old dismantled pallet pieces. So all I'm gonna do now is basically trim them off on the sides so that I have a nice glue line, and then I'm gonna glue them up against each other so that I have a nice back baseboard. Okay, so this isn't really a light burn tutorial, so I'm not going to go through the whole process of designing this welcoming sign. All I did was basically design the house and then chose my fonts for welcome to the Van Rooyens and added some flowers and so on. What you see in color is what we will engrave, and the black lines over here is what we will cut out. We're gonna cut this out of some 7mm plywood. So yeah, let's go from here. Alright, so the engraving and the cutting is all done. So this is how it came out, and then we will obviously just go and pop all these out. That one struggles a bit. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I messed up the sign a bit. What I wanted to do is sand off the top white layer of the plywood so that I get that orange layer at the bottom, but that didn't work out too well. So what I've decided is to paint this sign. It will also give it a bit more color, and I'm gonna give that to my wife to do, as painting is something she loves, and she will really enjoy this. Okay, so the baseboard is all glued up. What I'm gonna do next is just give it a nice sanding, and then straight after that I'll take my sign and then just trace it out onto the baseboard, and then I'll cut it out, and then after that I'll probably give it a nice dark stain so that there's a little bit of contrast between the baseboard and the sign. All good. Alright, so we're almost there. The only thing left to do is to glue the sign now onto the baseboard, and then we're gonna wait till it dry, and then yeah, we can varnish it and the sign will be all good. Okay, so I'm not gonna add a hanger to the back of the sign, as there's already a bolt into the wall where we're gonna hang it. So I'm just gonna drill a hole at the back, and then we can just slide it over the bolt. Okay, so at last we also have a welcoming sign for our home. Thank you to my wife for all the painting. It's something I wouldn't have been able to do, and it looks amazing. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And here's the sign.